te iti tangata, o te Kawa o Pātetere.
Koinei, ko ngā tamariki o te kura tuatahi o Tainui e whakarite ana ki te whakaatu I ngā kanikani, ngā haka me ngā waiata ki ngā uri o Hapani.
To be completely honest, I'm most excited to eat the food over there. Yeah, because I watch a bunch of anime and the food just sounds delicious.
Atu I te kai hapanihi, e hikaka katoa ana ngā tamariki pēnei I tēnei uri o Ngāti Maru, Ngāti Hako me Ngāti Tamatera, ki te whakawhanau ngā atu ki wike, ki ahure ake.
We've learnt about their respect in that, how high their respect is. We've learnt a little bit of culture here and there. Majority of us are starting to learn a little bit of the language, just little everyday conversation.
I wanted to do this with Tamariki because I always wanted them to dream big, and this experience will help them for the future. And they will, you never know what's going to happen in the future. They will achieve a lot, and then they will come back with a lot of mana.
Ko nōri ko tau singa tēnei he uri no hapani, kua roa e noho ana ki Tokoroa ki te taha o tōna hoarangatira. Nō nā te whakaaro ki te kawe I ngā tamariki nei ki tōna tūranga waiwai ki te taone take o Dazifu I te whaitua o Kyushu.
We are going to visit one of the really traditional cities called the Dazifu city. I know that the people in Japan will fall in love with them. That's what I want to see, and they will be experiencing authentic Japan. Tokyo is really great, but where I'm from is like real Japan, and people will love them. And then they are meeting the mayor as well, so they can, although they have a huge pressure on their shoulder, they will be the ambassadors to put South Waikato district in the city, Dazifu city.
When it started coming into fruition, I wanted to give them an opportunity to do something out of the ordinary, something that they may not be able to do. And so when I realised that this is probably their first time on a plane or first time overseas, I wanted it to be memorable.
Just an experience, never been out the country, yeah, and just on a plane in general.
I just want to tell them about the culture and the experience.
Hei te mutunga o tēnei marama, ka hoki mai te kura tuatahi o Tainui ki te wā kāinga me ngā akoranga maha no Hapani. Arigato gozaimasu, te Kawa Paora, ma Aukaha.
Ko te reo